I think Fellow has really nailed it with Aiden, and I'm gonna replace my staff with Aiden soon. Hi, I'm Keith. I'm the founder of One Half Roastery. I've been in the industry for 10 years, and ever since I started making coffee, I always want my own coffee shop to showcase coffee that could allow the terroir to shine. So the coffee that we serve here has a balance between terroir, varietal, and process. I have a love-hate relationship with batch brew. I love the idea of batch brew because it's so quick and it gives you something better than Americano or long black. It's often that we get a consistent cup of just so quality kind of coffee from batch brew machine. So when La Masa told me about Aiden, I really have mixed feeling about it. I didn't know what to expect. What happened was that Aiden really surpassed my expectation of what a batch brewer could be. The control that we have over the Aiden batch brewer is really eye-opening, I would say. We can brew from 1 cup up to 10 cups. We could control the temperature, the pulse, and almost everything that you could imagine. And this has changed how a batch brewer could be. It really gives us a very similar quality to a manual pour. The first coffee that I chose to explore with Aiden was our Ethiopian Ensemble Mewa. This is a wash coffee, and in One Half Roastery, we really like to showcase coffee that could what we call a terroir-focused coffee. A coffee from Ethiopia, especially from the Ensemble region, we could expect the coffee to taste like, floral, it's sweet, citrusy, and also like a good, delicate tea-like quality. And together with Aiden, I think it shares a very similar philosophy that coffee could be really simple, clean, and approachable. You can schedule your brew. I think this is the best part about Aiden. It's all automated, but it's also very precise.
You've been very consistent from what we're trying right now, from different kind of coffee varietals and processing.
It's our first time to replicate a full brewing system to a machine.
Comparing to manual brewing, you need a lot of knowledges. Even though every time you deliver the right information and knowledges to your customers, they eventually still can't hit that 100% or 90% of the outcome they expected. So through Aiden's is much more consistent, just putting the coffee ground in, set the recipes, and just let it brew by itself.
I think that we are all just human at the end of the day, no matter how well trained we are. But for Aiden, everything is set.
In One Half Roastery, batch brew has always been a core to our menu, and now that we have Aiden, it just makes everything better.
So maybe in the future that will just be Aiden in the bar. Aaron wouldn't even be here anymore.